It's New Food Friday.
What in the world are we gonna try this week?
Is it gonna be good? Is it gonna be bad? We're gonna have to taste it to find out.
All right, today we're trying Kettle brand potato chips, maple bacon flavored.
You want to try?
We'll see if we can open them. Those kind of bags are usually tricky. How do they smell?
Like barbecue?
Barbecue. Mommy, it's barbecue.
Is it? The lighting's awful.
It's a barbecue.
It's maple bacon.
More bacon.
How is it?
It's good, but it doesn't taste like maple or bacon.
No?
I don't think so.
All right, Colin. Get one and give it a try.
Is it good?
Does it taste like maple?
No.
Does it taste like bacon?
No,
What does it taste like?
I don't know. Just weird.
Is it good?
I guess, yeah.
What sort of flavor do you think it is?
Well, bacon and maple.
What? You just said it doesn't taste like maple or bacon.
Yeah, it doesn't.
Well, then what does it taste like?
It tastes like maple syrup with something in it.
Oh, so it does taste like maple.
But you can't taste the maple in it.
So it tastes like maple, but you can't taste it?
Well, it's a little sugary.
Okay, so it's maple flavored without any maple, is what you're telling me?
Well,
I think we need a second opinion.
Maple or bacon?
Tastes like barbecue chips.
Barbecue?
Mm-hmm.
Not maple or bacon?
Maple, not bacon.
Does it taste like maple syrup without any maple?
No.
No. Okay.
Tastes like barbecue.
All right, let's get another opinion. All right, let's see what you think.
Really crunchy.
I can tell that. I can hear it crunching.
And it tastes like spicy barbecue chips.
Do you taste maple? Do you taste maple syrup?
Kinda, yeah.
You do? But not maple?
Not maple, maple syrup. They're good.
What's the difference between maple and maple syrup?
Maple is something that comes from a tree.
Where does maple syrup come from?
Processed from a tree. I would not like just maple. It's really good though.
Huh. Do you taste any bacon?
No.
All
I'll give it a
right.
double thumbs up.
Me too. Me too.
Ooh, you seem to like them, huh, Em? They almost have a sausagey taste to them. I don't taste maple. I don't taste maple syrup. I don't taste maple syrup that doesn't taste like maple. They are sweet. They're not quite like barbecue. They're much sweeter than that. They're pretty good. Barbecue would be better. I'd probably give them a thumbs up though.
Brittany, thumbs up, thumbs down.
Thumbs up.
All right.
They're pretty good.
Shot on location where?
Pinnacles National Monument.
Outside of the cave.
National Park. Thumbs up. Do you like them? Thumbs up or thumbs down?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
All right, here's my hypothesis. It's tough to see in there, but the bottom of the bag is all wet and greasy. The chips just stick in there.
I'm above you.
Tipping it up, they don't dump out. My hypothesis is they dump some maple syrup in the bottom of the bag. Because when you eat those crumbs at the bottom, then you can taste the maple.